who can you really trust? Someone who's with you for the long haul, a longtime partner, a lifelong friend, a local auto dealer? Yes, really. Frank Leta's been in business since 1965. That's as long as the Gateway Arch has stood. We've been there for countless people in St. Louis, getting them where they need to go. To work, school, and church. On first dates, big games, and graduation dates. We've built our business with longevity in mind. Leta for Life is our philosophy, and it's also the name for a set of free lifetime perks we offer our customers. A lifetime of free premium car washes, a lifetime of free tech support, a lifetime of protection with our warranty that covers your braking, fuel, and cooling systems, as well as your entire powertrain, and a lifetime of pickup and delivery service to anywhere in town for any vehicle service at no cost to you. Frank Leta has spent decades building a reputation for service, care, and generosity. That's why we're one of the nation's highest-rated dealers on Google, Edmunds, AutoTrader, and Carfax, a 2020 Time Dealer of the Year, and a multiple winner of our Manufacturer's Award for Customer Satisfaction. All our years in business have taught us one thing: build long-term relationships with people, and everything good will follow. For our customers, employees, and community. That's Leta for Life.